just like fascination with mechanical keyboards for their precision, build quality, and responsiveness. The demand for carpet cleaners has risen as homeowners seek efficient tools for spotless floors. A great carpet cleaner tackles tough stains, handles pet messes, and protects your investment in flooring. This guy lists Shark Carpet Expert Hair Pro Upright Carpet Area Rug and Upholstery Cleaner with Spot and Stain Remover, perfect for pets. If you're looking for a pet-friendly solution, the Shark Carpet Expert Hair Pro is a fantastic choice. It's designed to tackle pet hair, stubborn stains, and odors with ease. The powerful suction, along with advanced brush technology, lifts deeply embedded dirt from carpets and rugs. The included Spot and Stain Remover tool allows you to address accidents quickly. It's easy to maneuver thanks to its lightweight construction and ergonomic handle. List number: Shark Carpet Expert with Stain Striker Upright Carpet Area Rug and Upholstery Cleaner with Pet Mess Extractor Tool. The Shark Carpet Expert with Stain Striker is an upgrade for those who need more targeted cleaning power. Featuring the innovative Pet Mess Extractor Tool, it penetrates and loosens stubborn stains while eliminating odors. The Stain Striker technology uses a dual-action formula to handle even the toughest messes, making it ideal for homes with pets or kids. It's great for full-room cleaning as well as spot treatment, and the sleek design ensures easy storage and use. List number: Shark Stain Striker Portable Carpet Upholstery and Area Rug Cleaner. Bonus XL tool and full-size cleaning solution. For those needing portability, the Shark Stain Striker Portable Cleaner offers powerful cleaning in a compact size. Perfect for upholstery, area rugs, stairs, or car interiors, it's equipped with an XL cleaning tool for faster coverage. The included full-size cleaning solution and Stain Striker technology ensure deep stain removal on the go. Lightweight and easy to carry, this model is a great option if you don't need a full upright but still want effective, reliable cleaning performance. List number: Bissell Turbo Clean Upright Carpet Cleaner. Pro Max Clean and Protect plus Oxy Urine Eliminator formula included. Bissell is a trusted name in carpet cleaning, and the Turbo Clean Upright Carpet Cleaner lives up to that reputation. With its lightweight design and powerful suction, it's excellent for routine cleaning or tackling unexpected messes. The included Oxy Urine Eliminator formula helps neutralize pet odors and lift stubborn stains. The 4-row rotating Dirt Lifter Power Brush loosens dirt and hair while being gentle on your carpet fibers. A budget-friendly, effective solution for small to medium-sized homes. List number 5: Shark EX120 Carpet Expert. Upright carpet and area rug cleaner for pets. Deep carpet cleaning and dirt and grime removal. The Shark EX120 Carpet Expert is a heavy-duty option designed to handle deep-seated grime and pet messes. It combines powerful suction, advanced brush technology, and Shark's reliable engineering to deliver a thorough clean. Its pet-focused design ensures hair and dander are removed effectively, while the intuitive controls make it easy to switch between surfaces. The large tanks reduce trips to the sink, and its sleek profile stores neatly even in smaller spaces.